Bungad Elementary School's Learning Resource Accomplishment Report. Effective usage of proper learning resources helps the students to construct more than superficial knowledge, that is, building in-depth knowledge on a particular subject and developing their individual learning strategies, values, attitudes, and skills. The purpose and role of teaching and learning resources don't only consist of making the educational process more attractive and interesting, but also encouraging active learning, development of different skills, and the adoption of desirable values and attitudes of students. Ladies and gentlemen, the people behind Bungad Elementary School's Learning Resource Center. Dr. Heidi F. Ferrer, Education Program Supervisor, LRMS. Dr. Alda B. Nabor, Public Schools District Supervisor. Dr. Josephine S. Aranas, Principal. Ma'am SPC Tan, Master Teacher. Ma'am Marian Isabel C. Lubrin, District 1 Lead LR Coordinator. Ma'am Sheila Rose A. Makasaya, ICT Coordinator. Ma'am Jessica A. Zanyo, Teacher Librarian. And Mr. Percival R. Gallego, Property Custodian. We establish and coordinate the implementation of the LRMDS in the school. We also coordinate the development, production, and distribution of learning resources, especially now in the new normal. We also evaluate, quality assure, and approve the localized learning resources for schools' use. We also manage the equitable distribution of learning resources in the school. Members of the LR committee were also oriented about their tasks. They were also given designation letters. Aside from our amazing LR committee, Bungad Elementary School is also proud to present the School Quality Assurance Teams. These people undergo various trainings and activities to do their task efficiently. LR plan was also made before starting the school year, as well as checking if the goals in each month is achieved. Teachers were also active in participating to these activities. Truly, activities that were written in the LR plan will remain as plans if they will not join and participate. That's why, as the LR coordinator of Bungad Elementary School, I would like to express my deepest gratitude to my co-teachers. Submission of Learning Resource Situation Report was also made possible through the collaboration of the LR Committee, especially the property custodian of our school, Mr. Percival R. Gallego. After knowing about the people behind Bungad Elementary School's LR team, let us now go into deeper the important role of LR in distance learning. During the first and second quarter, we used the developed materials by the division. Materials in the following subjects were utilized during the online classes of teachers: English, Mathematics, Science, Filipino, Araling Panlipunan, MTB-MLE, EPP, ESP, MAPE, and Kinder. Aside from the materials that were developed by the division, teachers of Bungad Elementary School also exerted extra efforts to provide a variety of activities to our pupils from the first to fourth quarter. Integrative assessments were also made by quarter by the grade level teachers. For now, we're still doing our best to make our e-library useful and accessible to our pupils. Our online learning resource center was also used, especially now that we need the soft copies of the learning materials. weekly home learning plans, teacher-made tests, MELCs or the most essential learning competencies, teachers' action research, and copies of SRC and SIP were also embedded in our OLRC. As the Learning Resource Coordinator of our school, I see to it that the teachers are guided on what materials are we allowed to use which undergone the series of validation. Inventory of available materials were also done by the LR Coordinator and was presented to the teachers during the Online Learning Action Cell. Here are some of the LRMDS activities that were done and cascaded in our school. These were also disseminated in our respective group chats. World Read Aloud Day, Orientation of LR Coordinators, Virtual Training on Establishment of OLRC and e-Library using Google Site, Video Lesson Production, Orientation on Quality Assurance Processes. Aside from that, we also participated in the following activities: National Storybook Writing, the Red X Storytelling Activity, Orientation on Enhanced LRMS Google Site, Bookingan sa Aklatan, and the Online Book Mobile. Aside from the various activities that we have participated, we also have our Online Learning Action Cell. Teachers in all grade levels were all eager to learn topics, especially when it concerns the learning resources. LAC sessions on SLM development, print and non-print. LAC sessions on quality assurance. Conducted school-based SLM development. School-based quality assurance. Printing of the contextualized or school-developed SLMs, activity sheets. Uploading of the contextualized or school-developed SLMs, activity sheets. We also published our official library page and OLRC. Teachers, pupils, parents support these sites and pages because this will truly help them on track to be on track. The teachers, pupils, parents support these sites and pages because this will truly help them be on track while we are in distance learning. Once again, this is the accomplishment report of Bungad Elementary School.